Hi, I'm Taylor from Fluke Reliability, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Trio Vibration Data Collector and Analyzer from Azima DLI. It's a power and versatile handheld vibration tool designed to evolve your predictive maintenance program. The Trio is more than just a data collector. It's a gateway to a scalable asset condition monitoring program, combining portability with advanced diagnostic software. The Trio's user-friendly interface makes navigation intuitive. Dashboard. See an overview of the asset health scores and alerts. Data collection. Access your scheduled routes and start collecting data. Analysis tools. Dive into detailed vibration data and automated diagnostics. Settings. Customize your preferences, connectivity options, and user profiles. All data can be synced to the Watchman Reliability Portal, enabling cloud-based storage and access for your team and our expert analysts. With the Trio Vibration Data Collector and Analyzer, you're equipped to enhance safety, reduce risks, and increase production efficiency. For more information, visit flukereliability.com.